Tracking the source of leads is very important for determining which channel was the most effective in a multi-channel campaign. Unless we know which channel the lead came through, either as an anonymous lead if it's a repeat visitor, or the channel it came through as a first-time lead, we can't attribute back the success of that lead to a particular channel. In Marketo, the identification of the source channel is done with two fields. The first one is lead source, which is the overall lead source, and the second field is the lead source detail. The lead source detail holds extra information to refine what the lead source is really. For example, for a social lead source, the name of the social network, such as LinkedIn or Facebook, would be the source detail. For web PPC, the name of the source might be AdWords if it was Google AdWords, or it could be the name of a website if it was a banner ad. In this section, I'm going to show you how to set the lead source and the lead source detail in a multi-channel campaign. Firstly, let's go to Marketing Activities, create a new program, call it My First Multi-Channel, and then add your name, and then click Create. We're going to clone a form into this one. So let's go to Design Studio, find your first form, right click, clone it. Now we want to clone it to Marketing Activities. We'll select our multi-channel campaign and then we'll call it the same name. Untick Open in Editor and click Clone. Now back in our program, we'll want to set up a new smart campaign for setting the source. So let's call it Set Lead Source and click Create. Now in the smart list, we're looking for form fill-outs. We can set lead source before a form's filled out when the lead's still anonymous. However, in this particular case, let's just keep it easy. We'll select the fills in form trigger, approve this form here so we can use it, and then we'll select this one here. In the flow is where we're going to set the lead source. So we want to change a data value. Now it will be the lead source, and we could just set it to whatever that was. So let's say the lead source was being used was web PPC. That's all we need to do. However, because it's multi-channel, we might have more than one channel. So in this case, what we want to do is select it according to the referrer URL. Let's say we want to set the lead source to web PPC if the referring traffic, the original referrer is the referral URL. That'll tell us where the traffic was coming from. So if it contains, for example, Google, we could set it to web PPC and we'd set the lead source. Now, if traffic was coming from our website, it could be different. So we might go original referrer contains our main website URL. Then we might set the lead source to website. This one up here would be website pay-per-click. And then the default choice, we might leave empty. And let's add another one for good measure. Let's say the original referrer contained LinkedIn. Then we might set the lead source to be social. So that's how you set the lead source. Now the next step is to set the lead source detail. So we'll do exactly the same thing. We'll change the data value, and let's do this for example, if the original referrer is LinkedIn or contains linkedin.com, then we might set the lead source detail to LinkedIn. So we would do exactly the same thing, but we might set more detail depending on what we're trying to capture. And then once we've completed that, we can then schedule and activate it. That's how you set lead source through a campaign in a multi-channel Marketo program.